Hi, this is Pastor Bob, and welcome to Pastor Bob Daily. You know, there are different ways that all of us cope with conflict. The three main ways, and two of them are very destructive. One is encouraging. Let's talk about that today. You know, whenever we're presented with something, we have an opportunity to react. And how we react will not only set the tone for that discussion, but really has to do with how well we process and what our self-esteem is really like. Now, some people, when they're approached with conflict, when they're given something that is maybe even constructive criticism, they become a martyr. They tell you all the reasons why that is the case. You know, well, I've just been too tired. I've just been overworked. I can't handle things anymore, etc., etc. They come up with all the excuses and they become a martyr. Or there's the other extreme, where people actually uh, become very belligerent, and they don't believe what you're saying, and they have all kinds of reasons why, and they don't want to listen to what you have to say, and they don't agree with you, and they just kind of stand firm and unmoving and uncorrectable. Pretty tough. But then there's the third kind. Those people that realize that every constructive piece of criticism is an opportunity to improve. And so then when we get that, we begin to correct and improve and move on. And folks, you know, that's really what it's all about. Now, I don't always react the right way. Sometimes when people correct me, I'm all over the board. There are times when I become the martyr. There are times when I become unmovable and solid in what I think and think, well, they're wrong and I'm right. But the older I get, the more I realize that the third one is starting to happen a lot more. That I'm becoming correctable. That I'm realizing that it's all an opportunity to grow and to become more of the person that Christ wants me to be. And that's a good thing. And so, which one are you today? Are you the martyr generally? Come up with all kinds of reasons why something happens and you always feel like life is handing you the worst things? Are you the person that tries to pretend like nothing's wrong and you're very staunch in what you believe and nobody can correct you because you're always right? Or are you the third one? Are you correctable? Are you the kind of person when somebody says, here's something that I've noticed, you say, well, thank you. I'm really going to work on improving that. You know, I've learned that the older I get, the fewer agendas I have as well. And as long as I have strong agendas, it's hard to correct. But when I lose my agendas and simply realize that every opportunity is another step closer to becoming the person that I'd like to be, then things get better. And I can view that criticism as an opportunity for improvement. God bless you. Have a great day.